Hey guys, we're back live again. Let me share the chat to the community. Let me share it to my community. Let me share it to the community. USDJPY is trying to take a sell opportunity from here. You notice that this particular area price has been rejecting it, and I'm still looking at USD this as a selling opportunity as well. So we're going to be taking a selling opportunity on USD CHF. We're going to be taking a selling opportunity on USD CHF, and then our TP will be at this low. We'll be taking to risk reward ratio of it. And same thing USD JPY. Same thing on USD JPY. I'm still expecting a selling opportunity from here on USD JPY. My stop loss will likely be above this zone. And then TP, I'll be taking it to risk reward ratio here. So both USD CHF and USD JPY, two of them are expecting a drop. Let me share the plan. Yeah, good afternoon. How you doing? So these are the two things I'm expecting on USDJPY. Let me write out this one. Let me write out the figure. The stop loss out. Let me take this USDJPY. So these are the, let me write out these, the stop loss target. Let's say 156.144. So this is the SL target here on USDJPY. So this is how we place my targets, and then my TP will take into risk reduction fit, which is how it's TP, which is at 155.6, okay, 155.467. 155.467. Okay, there's our TP here on USDJPY. So let's go to USDCHF. USDCHF here. It's on the USDCHF. And then there's 1 to 2 risk reduction. So there's 8 pips stop loss. 8 pips stop loss is not that, it's not that much. 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, SL. I'm already in a sell run. So in case if you are just joining, you can take a sell opportunity. Risk what you can afford to lose on. Then 0.805544. So this for the stop loss target 0.80544. Yeah, above here. And TP 0.80 So this is the TP target here on USD So I'm selling both USD and JPY. USD and USD So I'm just selling the both of them. Let's see how it plays out. There is a stop loss of USD and this for USD. This USD. Let's see how the two plays out. There's USD and this USD So I'm making a retracement back here. Why I took this trade is because price fails multiple times to break above this zone, and then price make a retracement, giving me a seller's confirmations at this particular area. So that's why I was able to take that selling opportunity. So if I go down to CH USD, JPY, USD JPY, I was able to take this buying opportunity. You can see this is a trend line that I've been maintaining, I've been respected for a long time on the higher time frame. So price came back to that area and trying to make it respected even. So that's why I'm able to drop it and able to sell from there. So price is trying to make a retracement. I'll be marking above this high. I'll be marking above that high. And then let's check on Euro USD. Euro USD currently making a bullish move after tapping into this my key zone. And from here, it started selling. And this is when I made the video that Euro USD is going to drop by this particular zone. From this area, price was dropping massively on Euro USD. Price was dropping massively on Euro USD. So still expecting it come around this particular key area, then give a confirmations, then the buyers will go. So if it comes here, give me something like this Euro USD, pull out again, then I'm going to follow the buyers back to this particular area or probably back to this zone. And this is BTC USD. I was supposed to take BTC USD 7 around here, but yeah, BTC have just been going up after making a break of structures here. It pulled down, was actually expecting it to get all the way to 8536. Then price is trying to make pullback to 87778. But if you break above these highs, then we're expecting it to come back to this area. We're expecting it to come back to this area. So I was actually looking for a selling opportunity around these particular zones, but it is still currently pushing. Let's see how it react around that particular area. And we're having out good, but I've been pushing up, and then it went selling, and then came all the way to this area. Started making a buying opportunity. So breakup structures happening here, telling us that the sellers are in the market trying to take over. So now the price is trying to make a pullback, pulling back retracement. So what you have to do is just be patient. Just be patient and careful waiting for it. Now having GBP USD, same thing. Let's check out this. Okay, this one is making pullback into this area. And we're having at this as well, making pullback into this area. GBP JPY. So GBP JPY can make pullback. That's why I mark out from these eyes down to this area. So if price is able to pull out, it can pull out inside here and continuously going. It can also give us a green candlestick, and the next one can be of a red candlestick as well. So we'll still be paying attention to it. Now let me see if I'm going to see any other pair to look out for. Okay, Euro USD is currently coming out the way here. So let's see how Euro USD reacts on this particular zones. Then we can add another position to it. Let's see how Euro USD come here and react. Then I'll add another position to it because I'm actually looking for a buying opportunity from here. There's a buyer zone, push all the way to these highs, currently pushing, and then price making a retracement. You can see me marking at the lowest level that actually caused this impulsive move. And I mark at this key level because actually this is the level uh that caused the double bottom that actually pushed up. You can see an upper low being created here. And then this is a zone that caused it from here, the rich move. So I've always seen multiple times price coming back to that area to test it, and then before the buyers will buy back to this area because price only test here once and need to come back here to test for the second time, which I'm waiting for Euro USD. I've been watching Euro USD since yesterday. I've been watching it and it has been going down, waiting for it to come here. So if you give me this opportunity, come back here, give me confirmations here, and I'll pull up with it. So we'll pull up with it. That is my expectation on Euro USD. And GBP USD currently pulling down. And this one retracing back to entry here. And we're having the Euro USD JPY retracing back here. So go still observe them. I'm having this on gold. I think out of gold, BTC, and Euro USD. Euro USD is more close, and BTC as well. I think was actually looking for a selling here, but I'm still watching if selling is going to hold. If it's going to hold. Okay, let's see how this react here. Let's see how Euro USD react here. So because if it's a buying market, if it's an uptrend market, to do that, either to come here, reject, or to come all over to this particular once again, test it twice, and then push up again. So here and here is my key zones where I'm paying attention to. So price is currently pushing all the way to this area. So if you give us that particular, if you give us a push on that zone, then we're likely to go BTC yes, they keep pushing. Let's see. And then we're having good making a pullback. We're having GPUSD. Okay. I think Euro USD is more closer. Is more closer. So pay attention more on Euro USD. So pay attention more on Euro USD. Let me check out this. Okay. This one is still pulling down. It might pull down from there and start going. This one, it will might give us a green and then a green candlestick continuously pulling down. And then we're having USD. Okay, let's look for a buying opportunity here. Let's look for a buying opportunity. You can see at this particular area, price trying to make a retracement here. And then this is giving us a bearish candlestick. If this next candlestick can be bearish as well, then we have no choice but to. If it's bearish as well, and then we have no choice but to wait for the next candlestick. If you give us bullish and we'll join it. If this price gives us bullish, boom, then telling us that price is currently rejecting here. But it needs to come back again with a bearish candlestick. Then before the buyers can continuously buy. Yeah, it is trying to pull up and it's trying to pull down for retracement. And this trying to pull down for retracement. And it's trying to pull up. So let's see how it goes. BTC, Euro USD, let's look at the up move. So if we're going to pull up, I'm already in on this. I went in on a selling opportunity on USD JPY. I went in on a selling opportunity on this as well. This is USD CHF. You can see them listed USD CHF and USD JPY. So if you're not in, you can join me as well and ride it. And if you want to join my signal as well, my premium signal, I believe this is the best time for you to join my premium signal. Let's trade alongside BTC USD. This BTC USD currently still pushing high here. So we'll have to be very patient. And then here is Euro USD. Let's see how Euro USD reacts more on these key zones. Let's look at the reaction of Euro USD at these particular key zones. Then we are going to follow Euro USD as it plays out. Let's see how Euro is reacting. You can see the buyers are trying to pull, but the sellers are still holding because there is a bearish candlestick that price produces at that particular area. So since that price is bearish, uh, that's why prices are trying to make a bullish sign there. So what we have to do is to be patient. We are going to be patient. Consider the candlestick trying to be bearish on that particular area. Okay, if this give us a bearish move here, you can see it. Let's see if it's going to drop here. I still looking at this, trying to give us kind of bullish, bullish. Let's look at this bullish. Okay. I think the one I was paying attention is Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Let's see Euro USD pull out from here. See BTC trying to make a pullback from that key zone. Euro USD is still making a pull. I know Euro USD is going to buy from here. I'm just waiting for more confirmation to join Euro USD at that particular area, so that once you join price, you can be confident with what you are doing instead of to join price and then you'll be you'll be afraid. Alright, let's check out the previous ones we took. Okay, you can see price trying to make a pullback from here, trying to make a rejection, telling us that the sellers are there. And notice here price trying to make a bearish move, telling us that the sellers are there as well. So, and what you have to do to be patiently waiting for, you can see if that pull out to be a bearish candlestick, then away, we are going to be going straight down. So if you haven't entered, I think this is the best time to join us on this trade. Yes, this CHF. Look at the stop loss target. Look at the TP target. We're going with two risk reward ratio on this trade. And we're having this USD CHF, CHF, and this USD JPY. And we're having as well, we enter the selling opportunity on USD JPY. And we're having as well SL 156.144. I'm having as well OTP 5155.467. So those are the key areas, those are the zones I'm waiting for price to make a retracement on. You can see price trying to pull back. So I'm still in, and this is trying to make a buying opportunity. You can see after this, I think we'll be taking a buying opportunity from here in GBP USD. And GBP USD, USD is giving me a buying opportunity there. And Euro USD pushing up as well. BTC trying to make a pullback. BTC might drop from here. Here it's not taking off. It's still sell BTC from here. Because I've been waiting for price at that particular key area. Here it's not taking off. It's sell BTC from there. Let's be looking and gold. So if you are not in yet, this here's the JPY. If you are just coming on this, here's the JPY trade we took, and this here's the CHF. So we are going in a selling opportunity. Price is trying to make a drop. This is our stop loss target. We just took two rows on it. Same thing on here's the JPY. We took two rows on it, and we're looking for a buying opportunity on Euro USD. Also looking for a selling opportunity on BTC. So this is zone I actually marked for BTC to come back to and make a pullback. But BTC is trying to do its own there. And then I'm having here GBP USD. If it closes bullish candlestick like this, then it's telling us that price is always is going to make a pullback into this key zone and continuously go in its own direction. So if it closes like that, there's a very bullish candlestick. Then we're likely going to join the buyers as well on GBP USD. This USD CHF we're in profit, and this is USD JPY still kind of in loss. Waiting for price to give us profits, and GBP BTC USD price is trying to seek pull out and then haven't given us a good confirmation there. That's why we need to be very calm. And Euro USD, there is a very bullish move there, and I'll be more comfortable trading GBP USD on this particular case on that USD is trying to pull up here. Is it pulling with this green candlestick? Trying to pull up from there, and we're having a BTC this trying to make a pullback, and this we are currently in profits. Like I said, those that are coming, if you want to join, you can still join us on this. We are currently in profit, and BTC GBP USD will join GBP USD now. Once the price closes, we are going to join GBP USD on a buy. So if you are just joining, this is our trade on USD CHF. We're going on a selling opportunity to risk reward ratio, and we are taking on a selling opportunity on USD JPY as well to risk reward ratio. And good. I'm looking for a selling opportunity on BTC. So if it confirms here at this particular area, then I'll have to drop with it. And gold, there's Euro USD. I'm actually expecting a buying opportunity, but the confirmation I was looking for here didn't give me, just start pushing up. So I'll comfortable enter GBP USD buy. Can buy from here. Okay, if you buy from here, where will stop loss be? Stop loss will be below here. The price pull up to this zone. This how many pips? This 14 pips. And to get where tourist road ratio two is around this particular key area. I should confirm bullish there. And we're having Euro USD has finally pulled back again. So let's see how Euro USD is GBP USD. Let's check out this trying to make a pullback, trying to make rejections. Okay. I'm still going to take the GBP USD if it sets well. Okay, this close bearish and this close kind of small bullish. That one nothing outside one side like that. From like that you want to start the draw. So BTC USD closes bullish and this closes bullish. We're having GBP USD. GBP USD and Euro USD. Euro USD trying to make a bullish move. So I think this two will be taking in this two. So I'll keep you guys updated. If you want to take GBP USD as well, When the BPUSD come down to this area, then you take a buying opportunity back here. So this is what the BPUSD will do. And I think Euro USD, USD CHF is dropping down. So still hold your USD CHF down to this zone. If you are not in my community, go and join my community. If there's where I'll keep you updated. There's where I'll keep you updated about the trade. Okay. This is the link in my description to join my community. There's where I'll keep you updated. So this is it, guys. I believe I've given you two trades today. So hold to your trade. There's what to TP. Okay. So don't forget to like and share to your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new. All right. Take care and bye for now.